Most people don't know that the average American family wastes over $400 replacing a washing machine before the 10-year mark. Not because it wore out, but because they bought the wrong one to begin with. You're about to spend somewhere between $700 and $1,500 on a top loader, and a huge chunk of best of 2026 lists out there are still recommending models that have been quietly replaced, updated, or discontinued. So I went through the real data, reliability numbers pulled from over 33,000 service calls tracked by Yale Appliance, independent lab testing from Reviewed.com, and Consumer Reports surveys covering tens of thousands of actual U.S. owners. 6 machines made the cut. I'm counting down from number 6 all the way to the one machine I'd buy today without a second thought. Product links are in the description. Number 6, Speed Queen TC5003WN. This is the most expensive machine on this list, and it sits at number 6. That is not a mistake. Speed Queen builds the washers you find in coin laundromats. Their residential TC5003WN takes that same commercial-grade engineering into your home. The agitator on this machine is physically connected to the transmission, the same design principle that keeps commercial washers from violently banging out of balance load after load year after year. Yale Appliance, which tracks reliability data across tens of thousands of appliance sales, points to Speed Queen's mechanical stability as a core reason these machines hold up. Their residential models are rated for over 10,000 wash cycles, which in a typical American household can translate to 20 or more years of service. For people doing fewer, dirtier loads, farmers, mechanics, families with heavy outdoor gear, this machine cleans like nothing else. Speed Queen calls its wash action transmission-driven with an aggressive 210-degree stroke. That is not a marketing tagline. That is a design specification. Here is the honest limitation. Once you account for the agitator, usable drum space drops to roughly 2.7 cubic feet. A king-size comforter is not fitting in here comfortably. There are no smart features, no Wi-Fi, no app, and at $1,499, you are paying a significant premium for durability and power alone, not versatility, not technology. If your laundry is serious work clothes and you want a machine that outlasts everything else in your house, Speed Queen earns its place. For most American families running mixed loads with varied fabrics, there are better options above it. Number 5. Maytag MVW6500MBK. 1 in 5 American households has a dog. If yours does, this machine was built specifically for you. Maytag's Pet Pro system is engineered right into the agitator pole. There is a dedicated filter inside the post that captures pet hair as the cycle runs, and you empty it out when the load is done. Reviewed.com's lab team tested this washer on a blanket used exclusively by a Bernese Mountain Dog. The machine removed the majority of the shedding and visibly brightened the fabric. That kind of result from a purpose-built pet hair system is exactly what separates a genuine feature from a marketing checkbox. Beyond the pet capability, the MVW6500MBK includes a built-in water faucet for pre-treating stains directly in the drum, a deep fill option that cranks up water volume for seriously soiled loads, and a slow-close lid, a small detail that matters a lot in households where laundry happens late at night. Maytag backs the drive motor and stainless steel wash basket with a 10-year limited warranty. Capacity lands at 4.7 cubic feet, which handles most family loads without issue. What keeps it from ranking higher is straightforward. Remove the pet feature from the equation, and its overall cleaning performance and feature set fall behind everything still ahead of it on this list. But if pet hair is your number one laundry problem, this is the only machine on this list built to solve it at the mechanical level, from the inside out. Number 4. Samsung WA54CG7150AW. Samsung's 7150 series brings serious capacity and a packed feature list into this ranking. You are getting 5.4 cubic feet, which means king-size bedding, oversized loads, and large family laundry all handled in a single run. The pet care solution cycle uses dynamic water currents to loosen pet hair and trap it with dual pet hair filters. Samsung claims it removes 6 times more pet hair than a standard cycle. For households managing both large loads and a shedding pet, that combination of raw capacity and pet hair removal is legitimately useful. The Super Speed Wash cycle cleans a full load in under 30 minutes. The active water jet faucet lets you pre-treat heavily soiled clothes right inside the drum before the cycle starts. Samsung's SmartThings app handles remote scheduling, cycle alerts, and diagnostic reporting directly from your phone. The digital inverter motor carries a 20-year warranty, and the machine is ENERGY STAR certified. Where Samsung sits just outside the top 3 comes down to reliability data. In Consumer Reports surveys of tens of thousands of top-load HE washer owners, Samsung's reliability ratings trail LG and a few other brands in this category. The impeller design, no center agitator, is gentler on fabrics but slightly less aggressive on heavy soil staining compared to the agitator machines ranked above it. A strong, feature-rich machine at a fair price point. And here is something worth knowing before we get to number 3. The machine just above it doesn't just beat it on reliability. And it does something with its agitator that has never been done before in a top loader. And it changes the entire value equation. Number 3. Whirlpool WTW8127LC. This machine earned its spot by doing something no other top loader had done before it. The agitator comes out. The Whirlpool WTW8127LC introduced a fully removable agitator pole, an industry first. Snap it in for heavy-duty loads and aggressive stain removal through mechanical friction. Pull it out, and the machine shifts to impeller-only mode, expanding usable capacity and becoming dramatically gentler for bulky items, down comforters, or delicate loads. That is 2 washing machines in one body. Reviewed.com's lab testing confirmed that both modes perform well on stain removal. The flexibility is real, not just theoretical. The built-in Pre-Treat Station Plus is essentially a laundry sink inside the machine. A dual-temperature faucet and an attached scrubbing brush let you treat ink, wine, mud, or grease stains right in the drum before dropping them into the wash. No separate utility sink needed. The load-and-go bulk detergent dispenser holds enough product for up to 40 loads, so you are not measuring detergent every single cycle. Wi-Fi connectivity, a what-to-wash/how-to-wash guided cycle selection system, which replaces the traditional dial with an intuitive guide, and a capacity of 5.2 cubic feet, or 5.3 in impeller-only mode, round out the package. It's one honest limitation, because it is doing the job of 2 different washer types. Its agitator mode does not quite reach the dedicated agitator cleaning muscle of a machine designed around that single function. For households that run a wide variety of laundry and want the ability to adapt cycle to cycle, though, the WTW8127LC is one of the most versatile and practical top loaders available in 2026. Now here is where things get serious, because the next 2 machines are separated by a single metric, and it is the one that matters most. Number 2, LG WT8405CB. This is where the reliability data gets real. Yale Appliance tracks over 33,000 service calls a year across every brand they carry. Based on that real-world post-purchase data, the LG WT8405CB has the lowest service rate of any top-load washer they sell, lower than every other machine on this list. In the appliance world, where a single service call runs $150 to $350, where waiting 2 weeks for a replacement part is completely normal, and where a broken washer in a house with kids is a genuine household emergency, buying the machine that breaks down the least is not a small advantage. It is a massive one. But the WT8405CB is not just reliable. It performs. The 5.3 cubic foot drum fits a king-size comforter with room to spare. The 4-way agitator moves laundry in multiple directions simultaneously, which reduces tangling and fabric wear while still delivering a thorough, consistent clean. LG's AI fabric sensor reads the load and automatically selects the right wash settings, so even a mixed midnight load is getting the right treatment without you touching a dial. TurboWash 3D uses high-pressure water jets to cut down cycle time. Ready slam-proof glass lid, Energy Star certified, and connected through LG's ThinQ app. Consumer Reports surveys, covering tens of thousands of real American households, consistently rank LG at the top of the HE top loader category for both predicted reliability and owner satisfaction. If what you want is the machine you will genuinely never have to think about again, the one that just runs year after year, the LG WT8405CB is as close as this entire category gets. It lands at number 2 for one reason only. The machine above it wins on raw cleaning performance. And when the experts at Reviewed.com ran both through their full standardized stain removal lab protocol, the gap was clear enough to separate them. That is the machine we need to talk about. Number 1, GE Profile PTW800BPWRS. After hands-on lab testing across multiple brands and models, Reviewed.com's expert team named this the best top-load washing machine overall in 2026. Their reason was direct: cleaning performance, the one thing a washing machine exists to do. The PTW800BPWRS runs on GE's Smarter Wash technology, powered by the Smart HQ AI system. This replaced the previous Alexa-based assistant with something meaningfully more capable. The AI actively reads fabric type, soil level, and load size, then optimizes your wash cycle parameters in real time. You are not selecting a preset and hoping for the best. The machine is adapting to the specific laundry in front of it every single time. In Reviewed.com's standardized lab tests, the normal and delicate cycles removed more test stains, including red wine, cocoa, mud, and carbon, than the competing machines they tested alongside it. That is the number that earned the top spot. The drum holds 5.4 cubic feet. Built-in detergent reservoirs automatically dispense the correct amount per load, which means cleaner rinses, less product waste, and one less thing to manage during laundry. The Smart HQ app handles remote cycle monitoring and management. It is available in a sapphire blue finish that stands out in any laundry room, and GE has one of the most established service networks in the country, meaning if something does go wrong, getting it fixed in the US is not a 2-month ordeal. The price is the highest on this list outside of Speed Queen. But unlike Speed Queen, what you are paying for here is not just durability. It is the best overall washing experience available in a top-load machine in 2026. AI-optimized cleaning, large capacity, automatic detergent dispensing, and lab-verified stain removal at the top of its class. That is why it is number 1. All 6 product links are in the description with current pricing. If this saved you from buying the wrong machine, hit subscribe. It genuinely helps. And drop a comment below. Are you going agitator or impeller? I read every single one.